Okay, students. So listen me carefully and just see onto the board one more time. Here, let the speed of boat in still water is equals to x kilometer per hour. Very important question. Okay, and speed of stream is equals to y kilometer per hour. This one beta simply. Okay, now speed in upstream is equals to x minus y, and speed in downstream is equals to x plus y. This one simply. Okay, everyone. Now the total time in upstream plus downstream this one beta, okay, is equals to how many hour? 7 hour. It is given. Okay, just write down. Okay, it is clear to all of you, students? Okay, students, just see. Let the speed of the boat in still water is x kilometer per hour and the speed of the steam is y kilometer per hour. Now speed in upstream going to be x minus y as already I had told, and the speed in downstream going to be x plus y. This one is students. Now the total time in upstream plus downstream it is given. That one mistake is going to be done, but here it is going to be correct now. The total time in upstream plus downstream is 7 hours. Okay, and you know very well that the formula is speed equals to distance upon time. This one. So what is the time? Time will equals to what? Distance upon velocity. This one. So here we are to just apply the formula for upstream. This one distance is what beta? Distance is given in that condition. In that condition, distance was given, which is 32 kilometer in upstream and 36 kilometer in downstream. Okay, one. So just see 32 kilometer in upstream. It means 32 upon his speed will be x minus y, and okay, one. So just write down. Who is Bhupat? Who is Bhupat, beta? Who is Bhupat? Okay, Bhupat, just wait. 32 upon x minus y, and the here what we get 40 upon x plus y is equals to what? 7. This one. So we get from here now. Let this is first equation. Everyone write down onto your copy. This is very important question, students. Going to discuss over here. The first equation now. You have to just write down onto your copy. Yes, students. Any doubt anywhere? Any doubt, students?
No, sir.
Okay, beta.
No, sir.
Yes, Bhupat beta. Any doubt? Bhupat beta? Bhupat? Here is Bhupat. Okay. I will see you. Okay, one. So going to be just continue the second statement now. The second statement is according to the question when we talk about everyone. So according to the second statement, students, here given as, what is given over here? Just see onto the screen, everyone. The scene onto the screen, everyone. The second statement is, it covers 40 kilometer, 36 kilometer in 32 kilometer in of stream and 36. This is 36, beta. You have to just make the correction. This was 36. Now, according to the second statements, it covers 40 kilometer in downstream. Okay, one 40 kilometer in downstream and 40 kilometer in upstream and 48 kilometer in downstream. Now, according to second statement, students, second statements, just write down when we talk about the second statement. When we talk about what we get from here, the second statement, the total time taken in upstream plus time taken in downstream is equals to what, beta? Just given over here, it is equals to 9 hours. So we have to just write 9 hours. Okay, everyone. So what will be the time taken in upstream in this condition? In this condition, time taken in upstream will be 40 upon x minus y. 40 upon x minus y, students. Just see onto the board now. 40 upon x minus y. When we talk about 40 upon x minus y, we have to just write 40 upon x minus y. And in downstream, what we get? 48. Distance is 48 and the speed is x plus y is equals to 9 hours. This is equation number 2. Just write down, everyone. So this is very important question for your board also, everyone. So just write down. The first one, equation over here, 32 upon x minus y plus 36 upon x plus y equals to 7. And the second one, 40 upon x minus y plus 40 upon x plus y equals to 9 hours. Okay. So by this way, we get the second equation. Now, it is going to be so easy because we know very well that how to be reduce the any given linear equation into the pair of linear equation into variable. As you know very well that I discussed reduction of equation into the pair of linear equation into variable. Okay. So here I'm going to just talk about that reduction, and what we have to just suppose over here, we can replace at the place of 1 upon x minus y another variable and 1 upon x plus y one another variable. Okay. So by this way we have to just replace 1 upon x minus y, let it is u, and 1 upon x plus y, let it is y. Okay, one. So just write down onto your copy and assume that let 1 upon x minus y, let 1 upon x minus y is equals to u, and 1 upon x plus y is equals to what? B. This is second equation. Second condition. Now from the first equation, when we talk about what we get from here, just write down. From first we get what, beta? 32u plus 36v is equals to 7. This one. Just write down, everyone. Equation number 3. Okay, this one just write down. 32u plus 36v is equals to 7. And what we get the second one, and from the second we get 40u plus 48v is equals to 9. This is equation number 4. Just write down. So by this way, the overall equation just going to be reduced into the pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, students. Just write down onto your copy. To now use any one method, okay? And here we can use the elimination method, or we can use the cross multiplication method. Okay, so you have to just solve these two questions at your home, everyone. And tomorrow I will ask you the answer of this question. What is the value of x and y? Okay, so just write down, everyone, this one. And this one very important question. One more concept is going to be just discuss about, but in the next class tomorrow, and you have to solve the questions from your seat, everyone. We'll meet in the next class. Okay, and I hope you can solve the question of board and stream easily now. Okay, so this is the problem based on the board and stream. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.